Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to find a reverse of an array. Means whatever number we will enter, okay, we are going to just print that number in reverse order. Okay. So first thing is hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, the two header files. After that void main function, and then inside the void main function, first of all we are declaring one array variable. That name is a and the size is what, 10. After that integer n and n indicates, because obviously first of all we are going to ask user that how many numbers you want to enter. So user can say like 5 numbers I want to enter, or 7 numbers I want to enter, or 3 numbers I want to enter. So for that we require one variable, and then say one more variable, that is what, I. Okay, that is the counter variable for loop. So now next is nothing but we are asking user, okay, that enter the size of an array. So for that scanf %d ampersand what, n. So here for, let's say for example only, like if user say I want to enter 5 numbers, okay, so I am writing 5 here. Now next is printf enter the elements in the array. So one by one now you have to enter the elements. Okay, so for that we are using what, for loop, and then inside that for loop we are using what, scanf. Okay, so the same thing only, like for I equal to 0, I less than n. And now I hope that you all are now aware that how for loop works actually. Okay, so scanf %d ampersand and a of I. So likewise we are going to enter 5 different numbers. So let me just enter 5 different numbers. For example 5 4 3 2 1. If you want you can note down this thing in your notebook on one paper actually, just for the reference purpose actually. Okay, so for example that 5 numbers are 5 4 3 2 1, and reverse of this is what, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Okay, so now array in reverse order. So that statement will print as it is on your output screen. So now again we are using for loop, because now it's time to print the array in reverse order. So first of all n minus 1. First of all value of n is what, 5. So I equal to 4, because 5 minus 1. So I equal to 4, and 4 is greater than equal to 0. So condition is true only because 4 is greater than 0. And then open the bracket, printf, and we are printing a of I. And what is the value of I? 4, which means a of 4. So at a of 4, which value is there at a of 4? 1. So it will print what? 1. Then closing bracket, then again I minus here at this point. Then now I becomes what? 3. So 3 greater than equal to 0. We know again condition is what? True only. So inside the for loop again a of 3. So at a of 3, which number is there? 2. And likewise 3, likewise 4, likewise what? 5. So here is the output. Enter the size of the array. So for example 5. So now you enter the numbers one by one. That means 5, 4, 3, 2 and what? 1. And then array in reverse order, nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.